Okay, it does in fact have a ground screw or a ground wire coming out of it, so I'm going to have to rearrange that ground. But see, this is going to go up like this, and there's little mounting holes on the side. Most light fixtures go up, you know, pretty much the same. And when I look at this light, it's gonna face up, and I see that the screws go into the mounting screws at the top and the bottom. And so I know when I mount this, I'm gonna have to have it. I'm gonna have to have this facing straight up. Okay, and I can put this little ground wire over here on that side, and I've got a thought. And here's my two screws. That'll fit. This is figured on, you know, you can do that way, this way, however you want it, but this bracket will face up one way or another. And where my ground screw is, I'm just going to decide to put the ground screw off to the side like that. Okay? And before I do that, I'm just going to take this ground wire off of here, and they just had it kind of routed over the top of this. And I'm looking on the mounting screws, and there's two mounting screws there, so this little screw that they flopped it over is not gonna hurt anything to take it out. Same thing with this. They use this screw down here just to kind of hold this to the metal box, it looks like. But I've got an idea for that. I've got to get my pliers out. Okay, and I'm gonna see this wire. It's just coming straight out from the Romex, and now I'm just gonna straighten this out. And I don't know why they hooked it up like that, but they did. Okay, this top screw I'm not gonna use. I could take that out if I wanted. It's there holding that. I've got two other screws that are going into that, and I don't think this is holding anything, but I'm going to go ahead and screw it in just to get it out of the way rather than unscrew it. Okay, now this big screw here, I'm going to go ahead and use it. Okay, I'm just going to take this and wrap this ground around it like that. Now I can tighten that back up, and this ground wire is simply grounding this metal box right there, like that, okay? That's not going anywhere, is it? And now I've got this wire coming out like that, okay? This is coming out straight. I'm just going to straighten out the end a little. And I don't think I've got to strip this wire back. Well, maybe yeah, I don't know if I'm going to. It's stuck out about 1/4 inch, and that should be enough for my orange wire nuts, whoops, to get on there. And they give you new wire nuts, but I'm going to use these old ones. Some people frown on using the old wire nuts, but hey, they still look good to me, and I really don't think I'm going to have a problem with them. And then I'll save the screws that came with it for another job. I'm going to strip this back just a hair. I'm going to make it, you know, a little bit longer. Okay. Okay, have you seen anything I've done so far? I've hardly done anything, right? You can do this too, okay? Any average Joe can do what I'm doing here to hooking up their own light fixture. Okay, let's get that bracket installed up there now. Okay, I've got the bracket to install, so I'm simply going to put that over that. And I'm going to use the mounting screws that came with this box. The pancake box usually comes with 2 little mounting screws, and that's what I'm using, and that's what the last person used to hook up their light years ago. Okay. And now I need to line that up. And I'm first going to eyeball it, and I can measure off the wall over here to see 35 and 13/16. Oh, 35 and 13/16. Are you kidding me? My God, it's beautiful. I mean, if you don't have a wall fairly close to you, you can take a level and use that. I'm simply snugging this in. Okay. That bracket just, it doesn't look straight to me for some reason. I'm gonna check this way. I got 31. Nope, it's good. Isn't it funny? Sometimes when you look at something, you might think it's crooked when it's really not crooked. Okay, so now I got this ground wire. What am I gonna do? I've got a little ground screw there. I'm not gonna wrap it around that. Okay, I'm gonna wrap the other ground wire around that first. You'll see. Okay, stick with me. Now I'm ready to install the light fixture.